What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Breaking Now. We're getting ready for our case break of 17-18 Upper Deck Ice. It is going ahead tonight. We got three giveaways actually all involved, all in all. Appreciate you guys filling this one up. We were supposed to have it last night, didn't get around to it because of some technical difficulties. So I appreciate you guys' patience. Let's get this on the road. Hopefully some big cards coming somebody's way here tonight. We got live. Good luck. 31 spots, 31 teams, 8:29 on the clock. Adam, spot 1, Clay, spot 31. Anaheim to Winnipeg. Let's go. Good luck. 1, 31 teams. 2, 3 is the timestamp. Timestamp on 3, 8:29, 8:29. Last and final will do it. Last and final timestamp here is 8:29 and 8:29 it is. Minnesota top spot. We're going to Montreal at 16. And then Florida to Chicago. Which teams? To match up some names again, it is 8:30. Adam, down Clay. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. We're live for this one. It was an hour and a half. Guys, giving you some time for trades here. Third timestamp. Third timestamp here is at 8:30. Where's my clock? 8:30. Last and final. Last and final timestamp. Bless me. Timestamp 8:30 and 8:30 it is. Brandon, top spot. Down to Jeremy. And Patrick to Colin. Here's your teams, guys. We'll see you in an hour and a half. We'll pace them. Let me know if any trades. Good luck with the break.